he had a lecturer come in and present on some heart research that he was doing. And so I was like, wow, that's like really cool. Like I would love to see if I could just do that as my research project. So I talked to him. I was like, would this be something we could do? And he's like, oh yeah, like just pull up the paper and we'll get it going for you. And I was like, what? Like I was like, they use this in like clinical trials. Like, he was like, oh yeah, we could totally do that. So make your protocol, amend it, tell me what you need, we'll get it done. Which is like amazing.
They're really supportive of everything that you want to do here, and like taking your own path and like making your own future, which is really, really important for me.
I've had professors in this department who will come back at 9 o'clock at night and do study groups for us.
He's usually here probably 3 nights a week till 10 o'clock at night, either grading or just helping students out. Like, where else are you gonna get that, where the professors go that far out of the way just for you?
Like, alumni come back and they say, like, I got this job because I could do X, Y, and Z that I did in your lab. And it's like, the things we're learning here is like shaping us to be better scientists.
And you can be able to put it on paper and say, this is what I've done with the things that I've learned. And that's gonna look great for future employers, gonna look great for grad school, gonna look great in anything that you're going to do, because it shows that you're not just learning the things, you're actually learning how to apply them to in the real world sense.
Out of all the kids that I know in my class that have applied to medical school, every single person has got accepted. We're twice above the national average for medical school acceptance. That is insane to me. That is mind-blowing. And I think that's directly because of the culture where we build each other up versus cutting each other down. We're not trying to get that interview over our peer. We're trying to get our interview and help them get theirs as well.
Our professors here give you the skills that you would need so that it's not like, I learned this one time in undergrad, but I never got to practice it, and then you get a real job and you're like, I've never done this before. I know I read about it, but I've never done it. And so like, I think it's really cool that we actually do it here.